At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first Mandolin slicer by Progressive International is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Features super sharp, onboard blades, straight, wavy, julienne, instead of attachments. Blades lock onto base for safety. Here are the cons. Blade guard may warp the blade over time. The best reviews bottom line. Engineered for safety, this sturdy plastic/stainless steel device holds food securely with minimal resistance. We rated this native spring Mandolin slicer as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Offers a surprisingly comprehensive feature set for an affordable price that includes 4 sharp blades capable of a variety of cuts, roomy container, and sturdy lid. Here are the cons. Customers have griped about damaged components upon delivery. The best reviews bottom line. Minor quality control concerns aside, this is an inexpensive kitchen gadget with ample features including stainless steel blades that make food prep fast and easy. The next Mandolin slicer by Muller is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Easy to adjust and versatile in the kitchen with 5 surgical stainless steel blades, backed by a lifetime warranty. Here are the cons. No safety gloves included. Flimsy plastic components that tend to bend when cutting large, dense vegetables. The best reviews bottom line. With its numerous sharp blades, inexpensive price, and impressive warranty, it has a lot to offer, but also comes with a few flaws. We rank this OXO Good Grips Mandolin slicer as our 4th top pick. Here are the pros. Base and holder can be washed in the dishwasher. Support leg folds down for compact storage. Here are the cons. Blade remains fully exposed unless blade is removed. Package includes no protective gloves. The best reviews bottom line. An exceptionally good mandolin with superior blades and an excellent warranty. This Mandolin slicer by reiner is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Stainless steel blades and a professional looking design. Inexpensive. Here are the cons. Flimsy body. Not as stable as some other slicers. No crinkle cuts. The best reviews bottom line. An extremely basic slicer with few accessories, and the need for extra stabilization during use.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.
They don't perform. I think Diddy has to do these. I think so too. This is really interesting. It's going to be interesting to see who actually does that. But while Clive Davis could do it for Whitney, I think they usually try to get somebody contemporary. They try to find somebody contemporary to do it. Like, well, Jennifer Hudson would be perfect.
Hi y'all! So I posted 2 previous videos of tools that I found useful in the kitchen. And right now I'm using what is called a Mandolin slicer because, let's face it, I can't use a knife. My husband at this point has had to start cutting my meat for me. So I'm just going to put the potato on there. Notice that my potato is peeled using the potato that I demoed earlier, or the peeler I demoed earlier. And it's got this nifty little guard because I would cut myself. And it's a little long right now, so I'm just going to shorten it a little bit. And I can adjust the length or the width, the thickness, and I just do this, and it's so much easier, and it brings it right off the end of it for me. And so I used a pretty thick one because I'm going to be doing fried potatoes. So it, as you can see, is a lot easier, faster, and safer for people like us. So it saves me time and saves me blood.
Slice, shred, and spiral your fruits and veggies quickly for gourmet results with the Zestkit Spiral Vegetable Slicer. Put away sharp and dangerous cutting knives. This handy tool lets you safely and swiftly slice fruit and veggies to make nutritious and delicious snacks, sides, and more. Made from durable food-grade ABS plastic, this slicer is safe and simple to use. Place it on a clean, flat, and stable surface, and turn the suction cup switch from off to on. The slicer comes with 3 stainless steel blades for all of your culinary needs. A ribbon blade for apple chips, onion rings, and more. A thick spiral blade for thick strands of veggie pasta, and a thin spiral blade for thin veggie pasta strands or garnish for your meals or cocktails. Attach the desired blade by sliding the plate down the blade tower. Next, cut the ends of the vegetable or fruit and place it in between the food holder and blade plate. For best results, ensure the food is centered in between the circular blade and spikes of the slicing appliance. Next, slowly rotate the crank handle clockwise while gently moving the push handle forward towards the blade tower until the food is fully sliced. To disassemble, pull upwards on the blade plate to remove it from the blade tower. Then slide outward on the crank handle to remove it from the unit body. Push and hold the release button and pull upwards to remove the blade tower. Remove the remaining blade plates from the storage slots by pushing the plate tab inward. Use the included cleaning brush with warm water and mild detergent to clean the slicer after each use. Any way you slice it, you can make professional grade cuisine in seconds with the Zestkit Spiral Vegetable Slicer.